Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can send videos in WhatsApp very easily. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also be sure to write your comments and put your likes below the video. And let us get started with you friends. First of all, please open the WhatsApp app on your device. After that, navigate to the conversation or group you want. Now friends, at the bottom you will have a message bar. Tap on it and you will see a plus sign next to it. Click on that plus sign and you'll see a little menu like this. From it, please select the photo option. And here you will just have to scroll through to find the video you want. Click on that video and then you can add some text if you want. You can add some emoji. Also friends, you can add some text on the video itself. You can flip it, and so on. Once you've made all the changes, you just need to click that green button at the bottom to send it. If you are worried that such actions, friends, will ruin the quality of the video, then you can send the video to a file. To do that, also click on the plus sign next to the message bar and select the Documents option. After that, choose from photo or video. Find the video you want and wait a few seconds. Click Send. After that, as you can see, such video will be sent as documents and you don't have to worry anymore that its quality will be changed and spoiled in any way. Friends, here is such a quick and simple method you can easily send videos in WhatsApp app. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes, write your comments and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.